Hey guys, welcome to Brighteb, and for today's video I'm going to give you some quick guide on how you can sequence the events from event calendar using Oxygen. So by the way, this is Fedora 44. So the problem here is this. So we do have these events that is if you add a new events, let's say the month now is May 16, so month May, and if you refresh the staging, so this is staging, uh, if you refresh, you'll see that the current event is October and December, which is the first on the slides, but the client wants to display the incoming events, which is, I guess, they do have this June, so this should be the first one. Now how are we going to fix this one? So if we go to our Oxygen editor, wait, this one. Okay, so as you can see here, I use Oxygen 6 and we have this boost loop builder. Now the problem here is that if you open the settings here, you open the settings and okay, let's go back here, and then the query, you see here I include the events, which is the events added from the events calendar. And if you check here, we do not have any specific dates. So if you just have this one here, just randomly get the last modified date. So still the problem is still persists. So if you are going to say order by date, okay, say apply, then save this one. Now if we save that one, and then let's try to refresh this one. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now if we refresh, you will see that the date still in October. Now we don't want that one, so what we need is just add a PHP code. So since we do have this kind of slider that I already set up, as you can see here, we do have a components. Okay, the components which pull the data of the events. Okay, I do have this one here. So by the way, this is breakdance extension for Oxygen 6, and as you can see, we do have the dates, the title, and so on. So that's how I set that up. If you want to know how I did that, just let me know or comment in the comment section. So yeah, and then we are going to add code. So mind you that if you are going to add a code, make sure you add the code above this slider. If not, if you're going to add this one below that, it's certainly not going to work. Why is that? Because if you are trying to load the website, it loads first the slider and then the code, which is why we really need to put the code above this slider. So I am going to add this code here below this title. So let's add a code. Let's say code. Okay, we do have this code black. Okay, and then we are going to add it here in PHP. Now just this one. Okay, so we do have this add action pre-git post. Okay, and then we do have this priority, and we just add an if statement so that it only triggers the tribe events. Okay, then we do have the meta k, which is event start date, order by meta value, and then ascending. Then we do have this date time from the events. So if we save this one now, sorry, okay, let's save that one. Then we are going to try to refresh. So let's refresh. Now, as you can see here, the first event is now the incoming events, which is June for the next month, right? So that is how you fix the issue in Oxygen 6 using the custom PHP. So if you want to copy the PHP code, just post the video, and yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.